Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of high pencil heels which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also very nice. It's in a black color and it looks really beautiful and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty black color which looks really beautiful and really nice. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heel ideas that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in a brown color which looks really beautiful. And this heel also looks really nice. It's looking very beautiful. It's a white color, and as you know, you can wear such beautiful kind of heels in every kind of occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. It looks really beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice pink color, a very dark color which looks really beautiful. And this one is also a very nice silver color heel which looks really amazing with your eastern or western every kind of dresses. It looks really nice and beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very nice perfect kind of heels to pair with your every kind of outfits. It looks really beautiful and amazing. And if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.